Hello there, welcome to our channel. So you guys already know that ZTE will announce the Axon 30 series on April 15th, meaning very few days are left for it to launch. And ZTE has been sprinkling few new bits of information every day, so sit comfortably and let me tell you everything we know so far. First and foremost, the design. So which phone does this remind you of? For us, the camera bump is a lot like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As for the front side of the phone, they haven't shared a single image or video showing its front design. But we don't think it will be that different from the rest of the phones out there. But of course, there won't be a visible front-facing camera as it will be hidden under the display. The previous gen model had the same mechanism, but for this model, it will be much more refined, or at least we hope so. Although we haven't seen the front side of the phone, we have some display specs. The Axon 30 Pro and Axon 30 Ultra are set to be equipped with a 6.92-inch OLED screen which is integrated with the second gen under-display camera technology. The massive display is expected to deliver 10-bit colors, a 120Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz touch sampling rate. We don't have any information about the vanilla model, but soon that will be uncovered too. Until then, let's continue with the Pro and Ultra model. Under the hood, we can expect the Snapdragon 888 flagship chipset paired with LPDDR5 RAM and the latest UFS 3.1 storage. Other expected specs include a 44-megapixel selfie camera, 4500 mAh battery with 55W or 65W fast charging support, and it will be equipped with dual speakers, linear motors, and Android 11 based on MyOS. Finally, speaking about the cameras, the Ultra model camera specs have been shared by ZTE, revealing the entire camera specs and its stabilization features. It will feature three 64-megapixel units, with the first being a super sensitive main camera, the second being ultra-wide-angle camera, and the next being portrait mid-focus camera. And there is the fourth lens, which is 8-megapixel ultra-zoom periscope lens. The maximum aperture of these three lenses has reached f1.6. The ultra-wide-angle focal length has reached 13mm, and the telephoto can bring a distance of 123mm focal length, which is equivalent to 5x optical zoom. So here are some sample images. As for the Pro model, we know that there are going to be three 64-megapixel lenses, and there might not be a periscope lens, but even then this is one of the powerful camera setup. So I guess this is it for today. You can expect to hear more about the Axon 30 series in the coming days. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.